Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, happy Valentine's Day. I hope everybody had a good night's sleep. I hope everybody woke up in a good mood. You know, God gave us another day, so we are up now. We woke up, so the rest is gravy, baby. The rest is easy. As long as you wake up, we're good to go. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to share something with y'all. I actually, I'm coming back from giving 2 quotes. It's 10:33 right now, and I'm headed to a service call. I'm about 3 minutes away. But this call was referred by a tenant. It was this tenant that it was my very last video, my previous video of me fixing that condenser leak. That's not even the homeowner. That's not even the, you know, the actual direct homeowner. But she felt like, you know, I did such a good job that she actually referred me to somebody. She's a real estate agent, and she referred me to somebody else that was in need of HVAC services. And this was they gave me a call this morning. They said when was the earliest I could get out there, so I put them on the schedule for today. And but yeah, guys, it's pretty cool. Then the actual tenant called me about an hour ago and said, hey, I referred you out. I just want to make sure that, you know, can you do side work? Can you do this? Can you do that? Is it okay if I refer you out? Because you did such a great job. And, you know, I don't even think she knows anything about HVAC, guys. She was, or she might, you know, I don't know why she said I did a good job, but the reason I think she said that is because I had my shoe covers on. I was respectful. I tried to keep everything clean. So it's just a little side note for y'all that stuff like that really helps. And this is the proof of it. Getting referred from an actual tenant, not even a homeowner, you know, getting referred out for other calls is always a good thing. So gotta wear them booties, boys. Gotta wear them shoe covers.
Sometimes when it's warmer,
okay,
and then I put it back on heat, but I always turn it off for a minute and then put it back. So my husband's thinking I did something.
Okay. No, it shouldn't have.
Because it was working fine yesterday morning, and then we came home and it was just cold in here and it just wasn't working.
Okay. No, that shouldn't be an issue, you know. It should do what you're telling it to do. So right now it's on heat. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. Well, boys, I think we all know what the sound of that is. It sounds like an inducer. Change the amps on this. Sound like the actual wheel is damaged. So we'll go ahead and let him know. See if he wants us to find it today or what. No, this thing is definitely got something in there that can affect it. Alright, about to run this thing out. Really, I should have got my manometer and put it on here, but I had to go back to the truck for that. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. See what we find in there. This thing is, that wheel is just off. Yup. Look at that. Supply shop.
It's all trained.
Okay, folks. So we about to go get this this inducer at Train Supply. We're about 30 minutes away, so I had stopped by, got something to eat with my wife, with Shorty. We met up, so you know the perks of being a business owner. You got a little flexibility to do stuff you want to do. But yeah, we about to go now to go get that inducer at Train Supply.
Arrived.
No staircase on this one. Okay guys, we're back with the new inducer. I wish I had better lighting, but I don't have my flashlight today. So we're gonna get this out of here as best we can. We got a new one. Okay. So that looks about good right there. Only reason I don't like putting my headlamp on the highest setting is because it dies pretty quick. So not pretty good. Let's get this out the way. Make sure nothing comes out of here. Okay, we'll get some screws on there. Please don't tell me this drill finna die. Please don't tell me this drill finna die. Come on, baby. Come on. You got it, you got it. I might need to go get some bit tip screws, metal screws. I'll probably go get them. Right now we're gonna get this bad boy going. I went ahead and brought a new filter. Let's go ahead and put this door on. That ductwork looks horrible. Check out that plenum and this 6-inch duct. It's not strapped up, it's just laying there. There we go, baby. We're gonna let this thing run. I'm gonna go ahead and put a new filter in. Our pressure switch is now closing. And now we're getting flames. We're getting fire, baby. Fire. See if I can put another one on there. I think this battery about to die. I think this battery finna die. Let's go ahead and put it right here. There we go, baby. All right. And she's heating up, boys. She's heating, boys. Let's get up out of here, boy. Let's get up out of here. Just gonna check the temperatures coming out the vents real quick. We should be good.